Currently, Riverside County is in Phase 1B, Tier 1 of vaccinations.
And appointments remain very difficult to get for people in that group. News Channel 3's Taban Sharifi live from home tonight, looking ahead to the next groups in line to be vaccinated. Taban.
Thank you. Yeah, we are in Phase 1B Tier 1, which does include those working in food, agriculture, education, childcare, emergency services, and those who are 65 and older. But possibly before even reaching Phase 1B Tier 2, some people in Phase 1C will be able to get vaccinated.
We're still following those tiers per the state's guidelines.
According to the state of California, beginning March 15th, healthcare workers will be able to use their clinical judgment to vaccinate people 16 to 64 years old with underlying health conditions.
If the state is saying, hey, by March 15th, even if you still haven't assisted everybody in those other tiers, but we want you to now target ages 16 to 64 with underlying health concerns, if that's the guidance from the state, then we would move toward that.
When the time comes, officials encourage those in that category to go to their primary care physician for the vaccine.
That person knows all about their medical history.
But if they go to another vaccine location,
the person probably doesn't have to bring in reams of their medical records, but it's probably quite easily for them to bring some level of documentation saying, here's what I'm suffering from, or this is the condition that I have.
And there's no set timeline for when Phase 1B Tier 2 will be able to get their vaccines.
It's an ever-changing world that we're dealing with when we're rolling out this vaccination. And we certainly know that there's high demand and there isn't a lot of doses.
In a press conference Tuesday unveiling a new vaccination site in Los Angeles, Governor Gavin Newsom expressed supply limitations.
We're administering, at least as of yesterday, averaging 201,000 doses a day. Do the math. Supply's the issue. That's the constraint.
Riverside County is, just like every public health entity, is following the guidance from the state.
Officials with the county urging patience from people as vaccination continues. And of course, we'll always keep you updated as soon as we know when the next tier or phase is coming. Live from home tonight, Taban Sharifi, News Channel 3.